how to solve cube square root minus I. So let's start. Let cube square root minus I is equal to x. Then cube square root minus I is equal to x. I use both side cube. Then I can say here is q cancel, so we are find out here is minus I is equal to x cube. Then this equation becomes x cube plus I is equal to 0. Then I can say here is x cube minus I cube is equal to 0. Because of that, I cube is equal to I square times I. We know that I square is minus 1 times I. It will be minus I. That's why I can say minus I, and this minus it will be plus I. Then we know that AQ minus BQ, it will be A minus B times A square plus AB plus B square is equal to 0. Then x minus I times x square plus xi minus 1 is equal to 0. We know that I square is equal to minus 1. Then I can say here is two term. Our first term is x minus I is equal to 0, and other case x square plus xi minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we'll find out the value of x is equal to I, and other case it is a quadratic equation. I can say here is a is equal to 1, b is equal to I, and c is equal to minus 1. Then we know that the value of x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now if I put the value of a, b, c, this time I can say here is minus b, it will be minus I plus minus square root b square. So I square minus 4ac, a is 1, c is minus 1. So I can say here is 1 times minus 1 over 2 times 1. Then I can say x is equal to minus I plus minus square root minus I square, it will be minus 1, here is minus minus plus 4 over 2. Then I can say here is x is equal to minus I plus minus square root 3, 4 minus 1, it will be 3 over 2, and others value x is equal to I.